Are you tired of hearing loud sounds of your vacuum? Well, I have the thing for you. The new Miele Classic C1 Canister Vacuum. Get the new Miele Classic C1, only $300. Dun, dun.
Take cover. Take cover. Take cover. Take cover. Take cover.
The National Weather Service in Ketonia. There is a tornado warning on the spot in Ketonia. The tornado is heading for Joyful Land, Ketonia, NNN, Ketonia, Lankstem, Ketonia, Clinkston, Ketonia, and Feynman, Ketonia.